Hi guys! So if you guys have been following along with my Instagram stories, you would know that today is a very exciting day. Chris and I are on our way to Palm Beach Parrot Sanctuary, which is actually where we adopted Lucky, our conure, from. And we are going to meet and hopefully adopt a new bird into our family today. So this bird, I'm not really looking for birds. I wasn't really looking for birds, but they posted on their Facebook page a picture of this bird, and I just immediately felt like a connection with her, like as crazy as it sounds. And I thought about her for a few days. I'm like, whatever, I don't need another bird. And then a couple days later, they posted that this bird's name is Baby Gator. That is her name. And I'm like, okay, if that's not a sign, then I don't know what is. What do you think? Baby Gator, come on.
I guess.
So Baby Gator. So after that, I'm like, okay, I need her. So I messaged Suzanne and I'm like, I'm interested in meeting this bird and adopting her. And then she said that another family already contacted her before me and they were most likely adopting, but on the very rare occasion that they did cancel or, decided to go with another bird, she would let me know. So yesterday, that was a few days ago, so yesterday she messaged me back and said that they canceled, and tomorrow, which is today, I could come see the bird before they moved up to Jupiter. And today I just so happen to be off. So I just feel like this is all a sign and it all worked out perfectly. And she's a super sweet bird. She's 10 years old. I don't know too much about her yet. I do know that her previous owner was a veterinarian, so we're gonna go meet her. I can't wait. I can't wait to meet her. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to show you guys. I think it's going to be a really good fit. All right, guys. So we have Baby Gator. We officially adopted her. We're about 15 minutes from home. I can't wait to get her all set up and show you guys. So she's about 10 years old. Somebody, I guess, had her for a few years, gave her to a veterinarian and his wife. And I guess they had a lot of other animals, and for the last 8 years she hasn't gotten the best care and the best attention. Her cage was very small, and Susan said when the bird came in she was absolutely filthy. So we're gonna go home and see if we can bathe her again, get her set up. She's also eating, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like those rainbow bird seed pellet things that look like Trix cereal, so that's really not good for them. So I'm gonna put her on a healthy diet, which is what my other birds are on, and I can't wait to see how her colors brighten. She's already so gorgeous, but I know that in a year or two her colors are going to be incredible. What do you think of her?
Yeah, she's really cute and really pretty.
And sweet. She stepped up to both of us, so I'm very happy. I think she's going to be a great fit.
Alright, so here's our big reveal. This pretty little girl. Hi. Oh my goodness, look at you, huh? Oh. Yeah. You're so pretty. That pretty blue, huh?
Why don't you tell everybody what she is?
You're gonna make me pronounce that?
Yeah.
A Pyonis?
Yes, a blue-headed Pyonis.
Yeah.
She's gorgeous.
Nice. You're so cute. So pretty. Look at the colors on the tail.
I know. And I think with a good diet, she'll get even brighter.
So we're gonna take her over here. We got her cage set up over here on the side. This is the cage that she came with.
No, actually, she came with a cage that was even smaller, and Susan upgraded her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, well, there you go then. And we want to get her something bigger. There you go. Now, we don't have her in the bird room right now. We're gonna have her over here, just as a quarantine, new animal. So you always want to quarantine new animals just in case. She looks perfectly healthy and happy, but just in case, we're gonna have her over here instead of in the bird room.
And we have to have her tested too. So we're gonna have it cultured and blood work just to make sure she's healthy enough to go with the other birds. Look at her. Oh my goodness. You want to see if she'll eat some of the chop I made? Why don't you, can we show everyone what she was eating before?
So this is what she came with, which looks like a Trix mix.
Yeah.
But that's not really very good for them. So we got some bowls over here.
I'm gonna go get her some of the chops.
Okay.
So this is what I made this week for the birds to eat. We're gonna give her some of that. So it's just lentils, different colored peppers, kale, chia seeds. There's a bunch of different things in there. And then I'm also gonna give her some blueberries and see if she eats those, just as a little treat. We're filming. You wanna come meet her? She'll step up to you.
She is so cute. There you go. There you go.
Basically, she wasn't getting enough attention from her previous owner.
Yeah.
They had a lot of other like raptors and stuff.
Oh, so then she
Yeah, and that's what she's been eating for 10 years. So
Oh, Francisco.
she's so sweet. She's so funny.
You fluffy bird? You fluffy bird? You're a cute little thing. Alright. Hello, bird.
Her little noises.
So I love her. Like I said, her name is Baby Gator. I don't know if we're gonna change that name. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna call her Baby Gator. If anything, I'll call her Baby. But I really like the name Jasmine. What do you think?
Well, I mean, if she's been called baby for the last 10 years.
But we don't know because apparently she wasn't getting a lot of attention. So I really don't know. I guess we'll just have to see. Let us know what you guys think. If you have any name suggestions, if you think we should keep the name. She looks so pretty in this light. Yeah. You stretching? You wanna go see your daddy? What do you think?
Little fluffy bird. There you go.
So cute. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you love her as much as we do. It's a really exciting day for us. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, so thank you for supporting us and watching our videos. When you watch our videos, we make money and we're able to rescue animals like this and adopt animals and take care of them. So we really appreciate it. If you like this video, thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. What else?
Yeah, no, we appreciate it. And you know, again, if you want to help us out, share the videos. Because, well, let me put it to you this way: when we say we make money on it, we make like 50 cents. That's it. So we definitely want to try to do this more and hopefully help that try to sustain our rescue efforts.
Yeah. And thanks again, guys. If you have any name suggestions, let us know. And you can follow her story on Instagram at My Little Green Beans. And thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.